hopefully this is a good view. I have a haul from Temu and AliExpress. The first one here is this diamond painting. Every day is a new beginning. Take a deep breath, smile, and start. It's sticky. It's actually really nice. And it has 19 colors and it's round. Yeah, my fingers work really well. It doesn't have DMC codes, it just has numbers. It's 1 through 19. And the drills look really nice. Drills are long. Drills look really nice. Not very bright and in your face, but they look pretty good. It's the alphabet is your symbols. So I will do a review on this and let you know. This other one here is posters of lighthouses, and let me see if I can get this off. Maybe if I can get it off. The symbols are really good. They're all counting, of course. There's another one. They're all lighthouses, different style lighthouses. Looks like they're crystals. Wow. They're sticking together. Pretty lighthouses. Now these are wood. They're not corkboard. And it came with this little holding thing. And just a normal tray. I won't even keep. These are crystals. The whole thing is crystals. So, looks like it's 1 through 9 and A, C, D, E, F, and H. Do it this way so you can see them, but they're all crystals. They're not acrylic or plastic drills, normal drills. So this is going to be fun to do. Really pretty. This is the only normal one here. This one right here. There's no DMC codes, nothing like that. Once I get these done, I will definitely be showing a review. This one here is a little wooden box. It's got a doggy on it with some sunflowers, nice and sticky. Got a lock. Comes with the normal kit, which I'll be throwing away. Let's see here. Comes with crystals. We got orange and green, and then some yellow flowers. That's it. That's all it is. Nothing fancy at all. But it's a cute little box, a little block box, wooden box. You don't need it. Okay, and then I have this storage container here. Has woofs on it. Both sides. Got your box bottles. It should be 30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It didn't come with nothing, just this. And it was like $5 for just this right here. Nothing fancy, nothing at all, no toolkits, because I never really use the toolkits at all. And it's just got some woods on it, really nice container. This one here cost me $2. It didn't come with the bottles, but I already had the bottles, so I got it. put my bottles in that I already had, 30 bottles, and there you go, $2. Yes, that's my deal. Matches my other one I have. This one here is one that has a wolf on it. It does not come with bottles. I have not put bottles in it yet. I do have bottles. I just haven't did it yet. Didn't come with nothing. Just the container. This is 6. So 60 bottles go in here. Like I said, nothing fancy. It was like $3 with no bottles. I think it was maybe $7 with bottles. This one here has a spot for different stuff. Get your pins here. Got a little compartment here. It's nice out, so we get to your motorcycles. Okay, now here's the zipper. Close that up. And this one. And this one here has a compartment here that comes off. 2 little meshes here. You have this that has a pocket here and a pocket here. And this part I do like, it zips. Separate from everything else for your bottles. And 60 bottles. So, nice foam, nice size bottles, like all the rest. This is really good for travel. Really good for travel because you got a lot of room. Especially if you're doing the minis, you have a lot of room. And then the last one, but not least, on the storage containers is this cute little fox. Purple and black, cute little fox on both sides. Has a candle. Unzip this one again. Since I didn't get any of the tool kits, nothing to go with it, 60 bottles, like $5 maybe. Same as the rest, very sturdy, thick. These are all really good for traveling, better organizing that I have. I can put on the shelf for everything. Now this here is just a cheap tray that I probably will not use. Got a little trash compartment, some single tips, straightener. This is just plastic, nothing fancy, just nice size, all that. Couple bucks. Just wanted to see what they was like because they're plastic. They're okay. I haven't used them yet, so I don't know. But there you go. There's my little haul. Like I said, oh my gosh, sorry about this. Once I get a chance to start working on some of these, I will. And I will do a review. But yeah, let me know what you think. This is how I have to do it on a budget. So yeah, let me know. Thank you. Bye.